I'm going to quickly share with you how to use Math IXL once your child is already logged in. On the left-hand side of the page for math, there are different grade levels. The P would be for pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. So depending on your grade that your child is in, that's the grade that you would click. Let's say that you have a child who's in second grade. Let's click on the number 2. Notice, in second grade, it will give you an overarching category, counting and number operations, and then it will give you a specific lesson within counting and number operations that your child can practice. Each child has a specific account for them, so you will be able to see what your child has already been practicing and what they might not have done yet. So that would be good review for you to say, hey, let's practice something new, and maybe even sit there and do it with them. So within each grade level, the titles might change depending on the skills that your child is supposed to be able to know by the end of that grade level. So for example, the difference between second and third grade was that third grade went to division. So now let's go and I will show you how it works to do a lesson. So now I'm in first grade. Let's go to identifying two-dimensional shapes. This is an example of a lesson that your child might be doing if they choose this lesson. So your child can also hear the question read aloud to them.
Which of these is a square?
And then they would have to press the square and press submit.
What shape is this?
And if they still cannot read these words, they can listen to them until they know which is the right word. I would recommend, even if, for example, the answer to this one is triangle and it's the first answer, I would recommend you have them listen to every single answer first and then choose the correct answer, just to make sure that they're checking to make sure that they're choosing the most correct answer. Now, let's say, though, that we weren't sure that this is a triangle and that I thought it was a circle. The program will tell us that it's incorrect, and it will give us the correct answer of triangle, and then it will tell us why this is not a circle and instead of why it's a triangle. So here, a triangle has 3 sides. This shape is a triangle. A circle is round. This shape is not a circle. So it tells us why this is a triangle opposed to our original answer of circle. Then we can press got it and move on. That's the gist of Math IXL. It's a very important tool to use with your child because they can practice key math skills not only within the school day but also at home.